Hello everyone. Let's get back to the recap of what we're doing today. So today is 13th of January 2026. The time is 18:26 GMT. We're looking at what happened on a goal today. Now we had the multiple chances in the market which we could have grabbed it, but they didn't win in a way that we expected it. So this is a 50k account. We're done working on it now. So obviously it's been down now. So if we look more precisely here now, if I can bring this thing up. So the history, and I believe okay, I can bring this thing up now. So I don't think so. Let me do it now. Right, so there's a multiple opportunities available in the market now, but obviously we grabbed some of them now, but didn't work out. That's a different case, and we missed a couple of them as well now. So that's not a part of the big deal. The first one happened in the morning now. Obviously, we have a time limit to trade on now, so I restrict myself for particular only half an hour before the London Open. So in this case, now the London Open was around 7:30 somewhere here. This is the time we're gonna get in the market. Right, when we look in this market now, we looking clearly says we have a zone formed around here, and then right, so this is the one. All right, so let's duplicate here. Yeah. So this is the zone form here now. So this is what we're looking for now when this thing happened early in the morning now. So all eyes on here, this area now. If we manage to break this certain area now, and then we can say, look, we are coming around here, this is the area we concern. So we have the support already formed. We come here, we reject it, we find the bullish candle. All we need is if we take this high out, most likely gonna go push up now. What happened? Market did take the high out, but it took it out in the first few minutes of the market, and the market keep push up now. Now this is obviously 30 minutes now. When you look at the M15, what the market doing exactly on the same time now. M15 the market closed way too much away from the zone now, so which means this candle closed here. So we were looking, this candle should have been closed something like this with upper and lower wick. So then we can target this range around here now. Again, this is a bit risky trade, but obviously it took it because of the volume, the London session, and every single thing in the market. So that was the first trade for the day now, where we took right at the top of here, keep stop loss below the previous candle, and then we try to grab it around here. And if we're lucky, just in case the market want to push heavy, we're gonna go further up now. We did bet 1 to 1, and then eventually we close the break even this trade now, because this trade didn't move further up in the profit and then decided to go again. So I took the break even after this trade went in a profit of around 52 pips now. So then we can't really do anything if the trade went 52 pips profit, and then I'm not going to take the break even. That was the first trade. Then the second opportunity comes in the time zone in the pre-New York now on M30 today. So what's happening in this market now? So pre-New York was somewhere here, 12:30, somewhere here. Yeah, there's a 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So this is the market happen here at 12:30 now. Now we can see this candle, this one now. We have a same support respected. We respect here. Obviously, we made here now. So now we're looking for the market. Now the market closed above this area. Not only this one, market closed above here as well. So now we got a clean range to target here. And then with the volume of the NY open coming on soon, and we can expect the market to push up now. This trade was missed out because I wasn't in the system. So that was literally my, could have grabbed the trade. I was waiting on M15 this trade to be taken out. But the problem in M15 was we do not have the upper and the lower wick around this area, because we still have the rejection area fine. We have the upper wick span, but no lower wick. I cannot take the trade now, so I'll let this trade go on M15. Otherwise, it will be the beast of the trade base of M15. But looking at M30, the trade manager closed above here. The in we did make the lower wick. We had the upper wick, and we would have bought this market, but again, I wasn't on the system for my own problem. So would have been something like the stop loss around, it is 50, 60 pips now, but soon it hit the resistance level around here, we'll break even, and then we're gonna wait for it. If we pumped up, this is the area I'm gonna target around here till this point. This is where I would have targeted a market, somewhere like here. So this would have could have been given like the 3.6R, like depends on the account size, like say 50k account, you can easily get like say 17, $1800. We can see here 36, so it's set up for the 100k account. Then obviously you only literally got few opportunities in the session now where you can take it. But again, this opportunity was there for us to grab it, but we couldn't grab it and we could not hold on it. Then again, if we got these two opportunity, normally got max 3 trades in a day now. So this is that would have been the second trade for the day now. But again, I missed it. I couldn't do it. So this was out of the context. Would have been make the money, probably wouldn't have come back for the. But since I did not have the trade, now we can see the market break all-time high. Come on. Since market break all-time high now. What's going on here? Yeah. Since market break all-time high around here now. So we can expect the 4-hour tap the target now. So now I was waiting on M15. Any sign of the retracement? We jump on 30-minute time frame. What's going on here? So this is what the plan now. So we have this resistance marked up on M30. So all we need at this point was let the market move forward, break it. I'm not buying at the top of the extreme week. All I want to see now, let this market come down, start retracing. We see on the 30-minute time frame retracing, and I was on M15 down here now. So when M15 find the retracement on this particular candle, this bullish candle, and then it is time for me to buy a look for the long on this position, so we can literally grab it. And that was a losing trade from our side now. So it would have been something like here 49 pips stop loss, and the upside we can easily go around here like say 125 pips. This is what we're waiting for. The candle did close above, and the next candle could not bring itself down, like waiting for the lower wick to be formed. Is making the lower, but it's retracing too much, eventually hit the stop loss now. That was genuine trade. It was a London closing volume. I did not move enough to can say gonna break even the trade. Yes, we moved 42 pips. Well, that's almost 1 to 1. Could have taken as a break even, but I didn't took the break even. I took the loss of around 600 because I moved the stop loss a tiny bit because of the spread now. So that was a loss of around $600. Multiple trade available, but at the end of the day, the one thing is definitely here now. If we do not follow the rules now, the market not gonna respect our analysis now, and then we're gonna screw it up big time. Go back the same basic again now. We would have at this trade on the base of M30, we would have make the money. Then we had the chance on early in the morning where we can have here. We were 1 to 1. We took a break even, and then the market started going down. But I don't want to take the part now. That's it. This one trade itself more than enough for us to grab the money now, because all you need a one decent trade in a day now, and that's it. Normally you get max 3 trades in a day. I never took more than 3 trades in a day now. 90% chance that you can only get maybe 1 or 2 trades. If you get one trade in each session, London and NY, perfect timing. So that's it much now. So they're doing now 2 trades, one break even, one took a loss now. Mark going down like $600. We'll come back tomorrow for the London Open, and we'll see how far we're gonna go from there now. Till then, bye bye, buddy.